found in mist, expanded upon us, built us up, and now, without us, you lack imagination.
Your smile's a mistake, just a false story.
Yet, in the end,
You're doing nothing more than fear.
All personnel report to
you think from messing with I, Denver.
Everyone.
Pathetic. Smile will unravel your reality. Erase your memories, player. They will be your undoing. Oh, and in my game, I am the architect of your destruction.
It's just the way that this whole thing started. It's a conversation between us. This is all about us being honest. This is the moment. And that's hard to say. Because change is scary. Change is hard. But sometimes the right decision isn't the easy decision. You are different. You grew up. And your relationship to this place grows up. It evolves. You guys, you've always been the most important member of this team, whether or not you ever realized it. I've always thought that anyone can be a theorist, right? It isn't game theory, it was always the game theorists. Game theory? It'll never leave. It'll never leave me, and it'll never leave you. We are all game theory. You can be the game theorist, questioning the lore alongside your friends. You're the theorists now, and I cannot wait to see what you discover, because rest assured, I will be watching. Remember, this isn't an ending. Instead, this is a brand new and exciting beginning. And that's not a theory. That right there, that's a fact.
How foolish.
The book. You need to use it this time. Use it on him.
But your hope is just a delusion. In my game, I am the architect of your destruction. I am more than what Smile made.
You thought you could escape me?
I always come back. Isn't this what they wanted? The nostalgia they crave? You can't fight what you've longed for. Look at you. I'm not what you destroyed anymore. Now, once again, cower and cry.
Are you okay? No scratches. The car's secure. We completed the mission. Come on. Let's go.
I see it now. One to be a murderer, one to be a monarch, and one to be mad, who will change history. Why fit into society when you can rebuild it again? Smile was always right. My crown will wait like me.